Hi guys, welcome. This is a crochet video. So for those that didn't know, I used to do a lot of crochet crafts. I used to make a lot of baby clothes and I was so proud of them when I made them. And I don't think I've got any videos or anything of them up, so I thought I'd make this video just to show off a bit of a show and tell of my creations. This is something I am working on at the moment. This is a jumper for my sister. This is just for like background demonstration purposes only. I don't actually do crochet anymore, but I have just picked it back up during lockdown and isolation just to give me another hobby to do. The things that I'm going to show you in the video, I no longer have. They've either been sold, or quite a lot of them have been sold, or they've been given away to friends and family. So I hope you enjoy this, and I'm so excited for this video to go out and my creations to be on my channel. I hope you enjoy it. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, or leave any comments.